What will $1.3 million get you in Lakewood Ranch? Let's take a look. Today we are in Cresswind in the Rosemary model, and it is awesome. Just over $1.3 million, but that gets you 2,700 square feet, 2 bedrooms, plus a den, 2.5 baths, and a great lifestyle. Stay to the end of the video and I'll show you in a map how everything works out. Let's go see it. Okay, as promised, here is the map where everything is laid out. This is our website, oasisgroupfl.com. If you need to get a hold of us, just click this. And the first thing that will pop up will be a bot. But after that, it's me, my wife, or my son, or someone on the team. But Usually me. All right, here you go. And this has, by the way, this has as mortgage calculators, and this is our area of expertise. It's got Yelp reviews, it's got mortgage calculators, it's got everything you need, plus, of course, the homes, everything, and the areas. So if you need anything, please just reach out this way. It's fast and easy. You can call us, you can text us, you can do anything you wish. But here is Cresswind. Cresswind is awesome. I love, love, love selling in Cresswind. Here is where Cresswind is right here. So here's the cool part. Cresswind is in the middle of Lakewood Ranch. So this is basically Lakewood Ranch right here. And Cresswind is right here. And 55 and over, that's the community. Now, when they say 55 and over, it does mean 55 and over, but 80% of the people have to be 55 and over, but 20% don't have to be 55 and over. So in theory, like if you were in the, you could move in there at any age, but 80% has to be 55 and over. Again, fantastic builder, fantastic neighborhood. I love selling in there. It's Kolter is the actual builder, and they are fabulous. They really are. So let's show you where everything is. Here is where Cresswind is here. So you are about 10, 15 minutes away from UTC Mall. Now, UTC Mall is fabulous. If you're a foodie, this is it. So you've got so much food right there in the UTC Mall, around the UTC Mall, and in the greater UTC area, you've got lots of food. So if you're a foodie, this is it. Also, if you're also a foodie, go to St. Armand's Circle. Now, St. Armand Circle is awesome. It's a literal circle, obviously, and it's got lots of boutiques and especially restaurants. Now, restaurants, all types of restaurants. My favorite restaurant, my wife's, my daughter's, my son's, all different restaurants. You don't have a bad restaurant there at St. Armand Circle. So that's about 45 minutes away. So also about 45 minutes away with traffic is Siesta Key. Siesta Key, the best beach in the world. So it's amazing. I think it's a law you actually have to go at least once. But in all seriousness, it's awesome. Now, we as locals, and we've been here for about 11, 12 years now, and we go to Lido Beach a lot. So Lido Beach would be right about here, right outside St. Armand's. What we do is we go to the beach, and then in the evening or for lunch, we just head right over to St. Armand's Circle and eat there. So it's kind of like you get 2 for 1. So it's really neat. But you've got tons of beaches. You can go to Anna Maria, you can go to Bradenton Beach, even Venice Beach down south. So whatever it is, and then you've got Longboat Key right here. You've got tons of different places to go to the beach, and the beach is fantastic. Now, Cresswind does not feel beachy. So remember, you're 45 minutes away from the beach. It doesn't feel like you're at a beach at all. It's a very upscale, very nice neighborhood, fantastic people, love living there, love living next to it. It is really neat, and it's Lakewood Ranch. And remember, Lakewood Ranch, it's the #1 planned community in the country for, I think, 5 or 6 years now. And it's that way for a reason, because it is that fantastic. It really is. So if you're moving here in 2 days or 2 years, doesn't matter, reach out, just click this right here and we will take care of you. But let's go on here. And here is, people ask, hey, how do you get here? Here is the airport. Now, the airport, 30 minutes, door to door. So that's awesome. You also have an hour and a half away, you've got the Tampa airport. That's also another big airport. More importantly, Disney. You're an hour and 45 minutes away from Disney. You are 2 hours away from Universal, and you are 3.5 hours away from Miami. You are quintessentially in the middle of all the action in Florida. And remember, super, super low taxes and great people. And you're so close to everything. You're about an hour away from the Tampa downtown. You're about 30 minutes away from the Sarasota downtown. You're about 45 minutes away from the best beaches in the world. It really is like absolutely fantastic. Now, here's another great thing. Over 250 days of sunshine a year here. It's literally paradise. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. I can't speak highly enough of it. It's awesome. So here is, if we look at all the different cultural things you can do, all the museums, and there's colleges here, it's really neat. And again, Kolter, great builder, you're going to have issues with any new construction. So even though I love Kolter, there's going to be issues. It's new construction, and construction by definition is difficult and everything else. So you definitely need a realtor. Now, if you don't use us, we'd love for you to use us. But if you don't use us, please use someone that you know, like, and trust, because a real estate agent you don't pay the real estate agent, the builder does. So we advocate on your behalf, but yet someone else pays us. And there's never, ever, ever a discount for not using a realtor. It's all built into the price already. So that's just profit they'll take off the top, and you'll have no one to represent you and advocate on your behalf. So again, we'd love for you to use us. But if you don't use us, please use someone that you can know, like, and trust, because it is very important. And they know where the deals are. They know what has happened before. They know where the best lots are. They can stay on the builders and make sure that everything's on track and everything else. And plus, you want eyes on the ground when it comes to this, because a lot of times if you build, you're looking 6, 9, 12 months, sometimes even longer. So you want eyes on the ground. You want an expert. So that's why you want a real estate agent. But I'm completely biased. So you got to take that with a grain of salt. But anyway, 250 days of sunshine over that. And it's awesome. And also, here is another big thing that people absolutely love: golf. Here are all the golf things that you can go to. So that's not all of them. That's just the ones that I know about. And if you get to half of them, please let me know, because it's super cool and I want to know everything about it. So listen, whether it's 2 days or 2 years, doesn't matter. Reach out. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to the Cresswind community. And again, all these things that you can do. And it's a very, very active 55 community. I mean, you see on the video that I did and the drone footage, I mean, you can see everything that you can do there. It's just a great neighborhood. And for 55 and over, it's extremely active. And I can't say enough good things about it. So anyway, if you have any questions or any concerns, please reach out, and we'd love to help you make a smooth move to Cresswind. Anyway, see you in the next video.